Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Hiring. Today we are going to talk about one another hiring. This hiring is from Gartner. They are hiring for the role of associate data analyst. Okay, and last date to apply is 16 February 2026, and job location will be Gurgaon. Okay, so before moving forward, if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe channel to get a latest job notification. Here we are posting regular job update about the latest hiring. Okay, so let's talk about this eligibility criteria. So here they have mentioned what you will need. So if you are a undergraduation student in quantitative field, then you can apply for this role. But if you are doing a graduation in engineering, then it will be way favor. Okay. And if you are a fresher or if you have experience also in 1 year experience in business analytics with knowledge of advanced data manipulation and summarization skill using Excel, then that will also added a advantage. Okay, and here they you should must have strong communication and collaboration skill, and if you have knowledge of SQL or Power BI, that will also added as an advantage. And if you have exposure to learn Six Sigma process improvement project would be also added as an advantage. And what they will provide to you, here they mention they will provide you competitive base salary, flexible work environment, a great work culture. Okay, so to apply link I given in the description of this video. So you can apply from there, and when you click on apply, say this three option will become. Okay, so first is auto fill with resume, second is apply manually, third is use my last application. If you are there apply from this website, then you can use use my last application, or if you are new, then you can click auto fill with the resume also. Okay, so let's click on auto fill with the resume. So this page will be open, and here you have to, if you are a new user, then here you have to fill your email ID, password, or verify your password and create an account, and you can sign in or fill the form. Or if you have already an account, then you can directly click on here sign in and you can apply. Here you have to fill this detail. First you have to fill your auto fill with resume. They will automatically get some detail from your resume. Okay, and some detail you have to fill manually. Okay, second thing, you have to fill your personal information, and fourth thing, you have to fill your experience if you have any experience, and next you have to application question. You have to fill your application question. Then last some question you have to fill that, and next you have to a voluntary disclosure, and last you have to review it. Okay, and you have to submit it. If you face any issue during filling the form, you can apply ask in the comment section. I will definitely reply. And okay, so you can apply. I have given a link in the description box. You can apply, and also you can join our Telegram channel. I have. Okay. So okay, bye. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely reply. Thank you.